Well, the Department of Justice recently announced the launch of 10 regional elder justice task forces that will combat nursing home neglect. Now, attorney Jim Higgins with the Higgins Firm recently stopped by to talk about the program and explain its connection here to the Mid-State. All right, Jim, so tell us about this new Department of Justice task force. What's going on here?
Right. So the Department of Justice announced that they're going to do this elder care task force. There's going to be 10 regional offices, and one of those is going to be in Middle Tennessee. And what this task force is set up for is to look out for nursing home neglect, nursing home abuse, financial fraud for homes, and nursing homes that are really leaving our most vulnerable citizens in deplorable care. That's what they're searching for. And what's interesting about it, it's going to be the federal government. They're going to team up with local prosecutors, with state ombudsmen. It's going to be the United States Attorney's Office, local offices, and what I really hope is it's going to be a program that will crack down, not on the good homes, but the homes that really have no business being in business, and either need to be shut down or changed, so we can make sure that our elderly folks in these nursing homes are getting the proper care.
It's really good news because we've talked so many times on the show about these different nursing home neglect cases that you've handled.
Sure.
So why is Tennessee one of the 10 locations that were chosen?
I don't know. And I thought that was interesting, and it's hard for me to say. When I first saw that, I thought because we have our specific nursing home neglect section in our office, that's the only thing they deal with are these nursing home neglect cases, and so we have a lot of them. And so from my perspective, it seems like it happens a lot in Tennessee that we have these nursing home cases. But my perspective is probably a little bit off kilter because I think we're one of a few law firms that really focus on nursing home neglect cases. So I probably see more in our office than more other people do. So, I'm not sure, but I'm glad they hear, and I hope it helps.
But it really is surprising how many times we're seeing these neglect cases happen, even if it is in just a few offices. Now, before we go, if someone out there is suspecting nursing home abuse, maybe to a loved one that they have in a nursing home, what should they do? Well,
you know what? There are a lot of things you can do. I always tell folks it depends on what stage it's at. If you've got someone that has had something bad happen to them, a fall, or they're not getting the nutrition you think, I always say the first place to start is start at the home. Talk to the administrator. See if they can get a good plan of action. Document it. Write it down. If you're not getting that, they're welcome to call us anytime. I will say most of the time they call my office, something horrible's already happened. I mean, I can only be generally reactive. In our cases, is where somebody suffered an awful injury or death because of nursing home neglect. But call us anytime. If it's not something for us, I can usually direct them to the right place.
Right. But start there at the nursing home and try to figure out what's going on first. All right, Jim, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now, the Higgins Firm is serving Tennessee. Give them a call. The number is right there on your screen. That's 1-800-705-2121, or go to thehigginsfirm.com.